All right, guys, these pulled pork puff pastry poppers. All right, let's do it again. Hey guys, I'm Chef Tim, and this week on the island we are making Honey Bake's barbecue pulled pork puff pastry poppers. Ham fam, these pulled pork puff pastry poppers are one of the easiest recipes we've done on the island, much easier to do than it is to say. They're about 5 ingredients total. They'll take around 30 minutes of your time, and they are just a super fun, easy, and delicious snack for the weekend.
For this recipe, you will need puff pastry, shredded cheddar cheese, Honey Bake's barbecue pork roast, Honey Bake's Tantalizing barbecue sauce, as well as 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of water.
Okay guys, to begin, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees. It's gonna take several minutes for it to get that warm, so let's begin there. Next, let's prepare the rest of our dish. To start, let's lay out our puff pastry. Each box of puff pastry is gonna come with 2 sheets, so lay each sheet out and cut those into 9 equally sized squares. Next, you're gonna take your ingredients and you're gonna layer them in the puff pastry. So I like to start with the cheddar cheese. Take a pinch of the cheddar cheese and lay that out in a line from one corner to the next of each square. You're gonna top that then with the pulled pork, and then you're gonna top that with a drizzle of the barbecue sauce. Take the 2 corners of the pastry, pull them up over on top of the pulled pork and seal them above.
Okay guys, so your oven's preheated to 400 degrees. You've got these gorgeous puff pastries stuffed with the pulled pork, the shredded cheddar, and the barbecue sauce. Next up, we're gonna make our egg wash. So grab 1 egg and about a teaspoon of water, crack your egg into a small bowl with the teaspoon of water, and you're gonna beat those together so you have a nice smooth consistency. Then you're gonna grab your kitchen brush. If you don't have a kitchen brush, use a paper towel, it works just as well. You're gonna dip that into your egg wash, and then you're gonna lightly brush the exposed portions of the puff pastry. Once you have those all covered, take the whole baking tray, slide it into the oven, and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes.
All right guys, that's it. It is snacky time over here. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time.